In today's video, I'll be sharing with you ways that can help you to know your ovulation days. So when knowing your ovulation days, knowing your ovulation days is very helpful for the several reasons. First and foremost, ovulation is time when the woman's chance of conceiving it is very high. So that means having sex at these times, it will drastically increase your chances of conceiving. For the woman that has been trying to conceive for over a long period of time, so if you have a sexual contact with your partner, there is chance for you to be pregnant. On the other hand, for the woman that don't want to conceive a pregnancy, so that means avoiding a sex during the fertile period is very helpful. In addition, tracking your ovulation days, it can give you a valuable information about your menstrual cycle. So before we begin the video, if it's the first time you are watching our video, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click notification bell so that you won't miss out on our upcoming educative videos. So now without any further ado, let's get into details. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. Like I said in the beginning of this video, today I'll be sharing with you ways that can help you to know your ovulation days. So the first one is using ovulation kit. This kind of kit, it can help to detect the presence of the luteinizing hormones in your urine, which typically happen 24 to 36 hours before ovulation. So if you want to use the ovulation kit, it's very simple and easier than your expectation. So kindly check the guideline or the procedure on the kit. It will give you the insight about ways and the steps that you can follow to use the ovulation kit. Secondly, is track your basal body temperature. Tracking your basal body temperature immediately in the morning before getting out on the bed, it can help you to know the time that you are ovulating. Because during the ovulation, there's a slight increase in your temperature, which indicates you are in fertile window. The next, which is number 3, is monitor your cervical mucus. Cervical mucus consistently change during the menstrual cycle. When you're ovulating, your cervical mucus to become slippery or scratchy, which is similar to egg white. So if you notice this it indicates your ovulation days. The way number 4 that can help you to know your ovulation days is keep tracking your menstrual cycle. On average, the ovulation occurs at the 14 of the 28 days cycle. But this can vary from month to month, and this can vary from person to person. So keep tracking your menstrual cycle. It can help you to know the time that you are ovulations. The next, which is number 5, is pay attention to physical changes. So you have to pay attention to the changes in your body, which include a slight tenderness in your breast and a slight abdominal pain. So when you are experiencing this, you have to know that your body is trying to tell you that it is a time that you are ovulating. The second to the last, which is number 7, is use fertility tracking app. There are available fertility tracking apps that can help you to know the time that you are ovulating based on your personal data. So if you want to know the time that you are ovulating, some are recommending you to download one of these apps because it can help you to tell you the exact time that you are ovulating. The last one on our list, which is number 7, is if you are having a trouble in tracking your ovulation days, or if you are having an irregular period. So speaking with your doctor, it can help you to identify the underlying causes. And your doctor or your healthcare provider, it can give you a guideline as well as some tips and ways that can help you to know your ovulation days. So therefore, by using these tips and tricks that I have shared in this video, it can accurately help you to know the time that you are ovulating. Also, it can drastically increase your chance of conceiving. Also, it can help you to avoid unwanted pregnancy. So here we have come to the end of this video. If you found this video and helpful, so make sure you like it, comment and share it to your family and friends, and hit subscribe button so that you won't miss out on our upcoming educative videos. See you in the next video.